if you listen really carefully, you might be able to hear my generator purring away inside of my cargo trailer. So let's take a look at it. Why do I have such a big generator for camping? Well, I primarily bought it because it was a really good deal, kind of a too good of a deal to pass up. And I needed a 240 volt generator for backup power at my house. I found it on Craigslist for $2,300. It had 264 hours on it. It's an EU6500 electric start. And it just purrs away, hardly makes any noise at all. Here's the control panel. Key start. It's also got the capability for remote start. A fuel valve so you can run the carburetor dry after you're done running it and want to put it in storage. Eco throttle, and then hour meter. Number 1 indicates hours, 2 is volt amps, 3 is RPM, 4 is battery voltage. So let's take a look at that. I don't know why that keeps showing 0. RPM 2390 to 2420. Battery voltage is 14.2. Battery for the electric start is behind this little door. Here's all of our outlets and breakers. And there's our voltage selector switch. You can run it on 120 only or 120 240. Handle lifts up, locks into place. Fuel level indicator on the top. This is the first trip I've taken it on in this cargo trailer, and it works out really good. Just leave the generator in the back of the trailer, and the cord from my 30 amp twist lock plug on the truck camper reaches all the way back here. It wouldn't reach if I had disconnected the trailer, but I do have an extension cord that I can use. Works out really convenient though. I just open up the ramp door and start it up and plug it in.